Did you buy a Mavic Air 2 and one of the batteries is dead? Well, it happened to me, so let's talk about on how to fix that. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So I have the Fly More combo and something weird happened because it comes with 3 batteries, but one of them was dead. It wasn't working, it wasn't charging, nothing that I could do about it. I was ready to contact DJI, but before I did that, I did a search on Google to see if anyone was having the same problem, and surprisingly, there was a lot of people saying that 2 batteries were working and 1 was dead. Today, I want to tell you of 2 ways on how to fix this thing. The first time you get the drone, you're not supposed to charge the batteries with the hub. If you did it, it's okay, but if one of the batteries is dead, you're gonna have to just plug it into the adapter directly and just charge it. That actually didn't work for me, so I was ready to contact DJI or return the battery to Amazon, and this is what I did, and it actually worked. I placed the battery inside the drone, and I actually tried to turn on the drone, and I pressed a couple times the button, and then I removed the battery and I just went to charge it without the hub, just directly to the charging cable. And after a couple seconds, the light on the battery was just green and it was being charged and everything was just fine. After an hour or so, it got fully charged and I tried the battery and it's working perfectly. Alright, I hope that this helped to fix the battery. And if you had another way of fixing it, let me know about it in the comments down below. One more thing, don't forget to sub. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one.